welcome to One in a Million. Here's another episode for Food Adventure Fridays. Where are we today? Well, right at the Rainforest Cafe. Oh my God, you guys should check this place out because it's closing down, guys. Yeah, Disney announced that very soon they're gonna start tearing down a lot of downtown Disney. Oh, hold on, that's not very flattering lighting. They're gonna start tearing down a lot of downtown Disney to make room for a new hotel, so you guys better check this out before it closes. State of emergency, you need to check this place out. The food is really great, and they have a lot of animations and really cool things inside, so let's go check it out. Hey, 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 you want to sit next to this handsome man? Check out my new boyfriend, guys. Yeah, we're official. He's got his arm around me. He's very hairy, but oh well. He accepts me for who I am, so I accept him for who he is. What do you mean there's a giant snake above me? So guys, here I am seated now, and I actually have a scoop for you guys. I actually spoke to the manager, and she said that this location is going to be closing specifically around August, they said, which means that it could be changing closer to the date. It could be before or after, depending on what the plans are for the hotel. But so apparently, whenever they close, they are going to reopen a location close by Disneyland, and it's going to be dinosaur themed. So, if you guys are interested in that, you definitely want to check that out later this year when that location opens. But I ordered the ahi tuna street tacos, I think it was. Food's arrived. Oh my God. I'll show it later.
How's it looking?
It's looking really good, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to film it like this. I don't have time. Ain't nobody got time for this. Alright, let's try this. It's super juicy. Spicy sauce. No. I mean, it's fine the way it is. It has this like citrusy flavor. I don't know, man. So good. Look at that. Bite right there. It even came with a side of veggies with like mushrooms and onions and pepper. I bit my tongue. About to give me the energy I need. I can't even describe this. It's so delicious. It's like salad, tangy, sour, sweet, fish, vegetables, all in one bite. And there's two of these tacos. I recommend the ahi tuna street tacos. They're freaking amazing. Looks like that's the style here. Like vinaigrette, fruity, tangy, rainforesty. Whoa, there's a waterfall here and everything. What does that say? The rainforest. I think it says welcome to the rainforest. This monkey moves only sometimes. It's raining, guys. It's actually a rainforest cafe. Bad Bird thinks so anyway. Alright guys, so that's about it for this episode of Food Adventure Fridays. Definitely check out the Rainforest Cafe before it closes and it changes to a T-Rex Cafe nearby Disneyland. Definitely recommend coming to Downtown Disney to check this place out. There's little things to do here and there, like going to the Lego store. I'll probably feature that in another episode when I'm here for a longer time. But now I'm going to Disneyland. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel for more videos like these of places to go and food to eat in Southern California. And don't forget to give this video a like if you like this kind of content. Make sure to support and put down in the comments what you liked about this video and what suggestions you have for new places for me to go that you want me to check out. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye!